Hello students, this is the second part of the video. You can see I have collected some raw materials, but we will perform whole of the experiment step by step. So the steps which we are going to follow for this experiment, that is aim, apparatus and material required, procedure, observation and precaution. So students, what is the aim of the experiment? The aim of the experiment is to demonstrate plasmolysis in peels of onion bulb or raw leaves. Now the material required, that is onion bulb or raw leaves. So I have onion bulbs that I have taken. After that we need beaker containing water and salt solution. Then we need glass slide. You can see a plain glass slide is there. We need cover slip, we need sharp blade, we need needle. After that dropper, sodium chloride, balance for measuring sodium chloride, microscope, filter paper, all these things we needed. Students, now we will start performing the experiment. So for this we used to take this onion leaves. Now try to take out its thick leaves. As you can see, I have taken the thick leaves. So from one of the leaf I will try to remove its peel. So peel you can take out from its inner portion, as you can say, and this you can do with the help of blade. You can see I have taken it out. Now I am going to remove this peel. You can take the aid of forceps, or if you pluck it by your hands easily you can remove it. I am going to show you. I have now putting this on this slide. Students, you can see the peel of this. You can see the very thin peel of onion leaf. It is here, and quickly put few drops of water so that it should not dry quickly. So this is the cells are in this condition, are in normal condition. Cut. If your section is big, then cut a convenient section. So I am going to cut it. Yes, I have removed. Now from the next one. Now you can see I have taken a convenient section. Now few drops of water with the help of brush, and now I will put cover slip on it. You can see this is cover slip. Put cover slip on the slide very carefully so that it should not trap the air. You can see I have to handle it, and with the help of needle or put it slowly so that it should not trap the air. Now students, you can see I have put the cover slip and now it is ready to watch. So we will watch this slide under the microscope. When we will watch it under the microscope, then we find that cells are in normal condition. Protoplasm is normally expanded in the cell. Now again we will put few drops of concentrated solution of sodium chloride. Okay, so now I am going to take, this is, you can see, this is the solution of sodium chloride. I am going to take few drops of it and slowly from one corner of the cover slip I will put few drops of this concentrated salty water, and from the other end with the help of filter paper we will remove the excess of water. Suppose you are putting the water from here, then attach a filter paper here and slowly it will absorb the excess stain or excess amount of solution. Now you have put concentrated sodium chloride solution and wait for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes observe it under microscope. When you will observe it under microscope, you will find that the cells, they get shrink. Students, you can see that when the cell was in normal condition, it was like this. The protoplasm is in normal condition in the cell. But when you have put the solution of sodium chloride, now you can see that the protoplast of the cell, it leaves the cell wall and it shrinks. So this type of condition is known as plasmolysis. After this, students, after this, when you again put water, normal water, from one corner of the cover slip, slowly drop by drop, and likewise remove the excess of water with the help of filter paper from the other side. Then after some time, when you will again watch the slide, then it will show the cells in normal condition. This what we will say that the cells are now deplasmolized and they come in their normal condition. So in this way you can, now here you can see the cells are now again come in their normal condition. So students, in this way you will able to observe plasmolysis on onion leaves. Students, once you have observed, you have performed the experiment, now you have to write down the observation. So the observation of the practical you can write down in 3 steps. The first step is that in normal condition the protoplasm was distributed throughout the cell. In second condition, when the cell is placed in strong salty solution, that is in hypertonic solution, then the protoplasm of the cell gets shrink because the cell lose water due to exosmosis process, and this condition is known as plasmolysis. Now the third condition, and when again the cells are put in normal water, the cells absorb water due to end osmosis and become again in their normal form. This condition is called deplasmolysis. So students, I think now you understood its observation. At last, the last step is precaution. So students, what precaution you have to take? So first of all, use always fresh leaves. Either it is of row leaves or it is of onion leaves, but always use fresh leaves. And second, observe plasmolysis and deplasmolysis on the same cell. Students, this experiment is also easy and you can perform this experiment at home. But only one thing is there, that if you have microscope, because without microscope you will not be able to observe it at home. Rest of the things you can perform. So students, this is all about this experiment. Next time we will meet with another experiment. Okay, thanks.